Hi, this is Darren Emenau, and today it's two very quick demos on making a mug and the tile. So this is just a very, very small mug, and normally it takes about an hour to actually do the demonstration, a proper one on this. This is an example of a finished mug that's already glazed, but you're constructing the body, the base, and the handle, and there's multiple techniques on how to get that form to stay sturdy when it's complete. So the first thing is to actually stretch out the clay. So you just take a ball of clay and you want to just gently peel it up. You have to constantly peel it up from the surface it's on because it leaves a wet residue and it will stick to that. And to stretch the clay, it's a little hard to explain on something like this, but about a third of the bit of clay will stick to the table, and then the other part that you're holding, the 2/3, you will release that as soon as it sticks to this table, and it will stretch this clay. So just very quickly, I'll show you. And this is a very effective technique to get slabs. That slab was a bit thick. Now another way is to use a rolling pin in conjunction with stretching it out. And you notice how I'm not rolling over the edge, I'm just trying to get an even thickness of clay. Now this does have some plaster residue from other demonstrations on how to make those, but you can see how you can get a decoration in the form. I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit more to loosen it up. I don't want to use the rolling pin anymore because we'll lose that decoration. So this is going to be a very low form. So what you want to do is wrap it around to roughly the shape that you want. That would be the inside diameter. You work on a surface. You're going to cut a miter joint, which is 45 degrees, so not straight up and down, just at an angle. Support the clay with your fingers and just very gently move down through the form, open it up, remove the inner clay, remove that, and then these are the pieces that will join. Now this wasn't done exactly the way I wanted it to. In theory you want the clay to be the same thickness, but this wall is a bit thicker than this. But for this purpose, we won't worry too much about it. Now joining the clay, I should almost have a separate video for that.